3, 2, 1.
What is the motto of Republic of Sudan, the African country with the largest area? The answer is A. Victory is ours. Which of these is not a human cell type? The answer is B. Bacteria. What is the title of the final book of the New Testament? The answer is B. Revelation. My secrets stay safe with me until you tell them to others. What am I? The answer is D. Shrink's office. Which of the following activities is performed by the marketing department of a manufacturing organization? The answer is A. Advertising. I can play for hours on end, no breaks, no food, and yet I never tire. What am I? The answer is A. DJ. The setting is a campfire. Gathered around are Captain America, Billy, and the lawyer, George Hansen. The lawyer looks around and says, "Nick, Nick, Nick, what cult movie are you watching?" The answer is D. Easy Rider. What band performed the 1978 song Wheel in the Sky? The answer is D. Journey. I'm a number with lots of zeros at the end, yet it ends without a zero. What am I? The answer is D. Infinity. What is the speed of light in vacuum in terms of meters per second? The answer is C. 299,792,458 What is the name given to two intersecting lines that are perpendicular to each other? The answer is D. Rectangular lines. Which animal has live births? The answer is A. Poodle. I can take you to any land, under any sky. What am I? The answer is D. Book. Which president promoted the big stick policy in U.S. foreign matters? The answer is A. Theodore Roosevelt. Who broke the record for the largest domino structure? The answer is B. Daniel Burgess. What is used to erase mistakes on paper? The answer is D. Eraser. I am weightless, odorless, colorless, tasteless, non-conductive, and non-magnetic. What am I? The answer is B. Vacuum. Which tool is used to write with ink on paper? The answer is A. Pen. What sport uses a bat and ball? The answer is B. Cricket. What is the name of the process by which new cells are created? The answer is C. Growth. In what 1976 movie did Gregory Peck star as Ambassador Robert Thorne? The answer is B. The Omen. The long mouth tube that some insects use to suck up the nectar of the flower is called what? The answer is D. Proboscis. The temperature in a hot star is high enough to pull electrons away from atoms. What state of matter results from this process? The answer is D. Plasma. Which of these describes a small range in the electromagnetic spectrum? The answer is D. Light. What is the name of Rick's deceased wife and the mother of his son in Rick and Morty? The answer is C. Beth. What are the two most abundant elements in the universe? The answer is D. Hydrogen and helium. In The Longest Day, Private Steele becomes deaf because his parachute is caught on a church steeple and is very close to the bells. Who portrayed this parachutist? The answer is B. Red Buttons. I'm played at weddings and funerals, never in the middle. What am I? The answer is C. Flute. Which was the first sub-Saharan African nation to gain its freedom? The answer is B. Ghana. Which actor played the role of Robin Hood in The Adventures of Robin Hood? The answer is A. Errol Flynn. What do Drew Barrymore and Gwyneth Paltrow have in common? The answer is C. They both have Steven Spielberg as a godfather. In the 19th century, English writer Mary Shelley wrote which famous Gothic novel? The answer is C. Frankenstein. If leaves are glabrous, then they have none of these qualities except one. Can you spot it? The answer is A. Softness. Which actor voices the animated albino lab mouse Pinky that is just like the brain, but appears to be substantially less bright? The answer is A. Rob Paulsen. What is a bench used for in a bathroom? The answer is C. Seating. What gives the body shape and support? The answer is A. Skeleton. I'm a powerful acid that can dissolve some metals and attack glass. What am I? The answer is D. Sulfuric acid. What is the only ocean not named after a geographical feature or god? The answer is D. Arctic Ocean. What is the name of the little girl with a genius IQ on Sunny with a Chance? The answer is B. Sora. When Lindsay Lohan first moved to Los Angeles, she shared a home with which fellow Disney star? The answer is A. Raven-Symoné. What element enters the body when an organism breathes? The answer is D. Oxygen. What disease refers to the dangerous buildup of fatty materials in blood vessels? The answer is A. Atherosclerosis. I'm taken from a mountain, but I can't climb. What am I? The answer is D. A candle. Removal of dams on rivers is an example of what? The answer is C. Restoration. What is the name of the national anthem of the Republic of Peru, adopted in 1821? The answer is B. We are free, we shall always be so. I have many legs, yet I can't walk. What am I? The answer is B. A table. May in the Northern Hemisphere is the seasonal equivalent to what month in the Southern Hemisphere? The answer is D. November. Who wrote the book To Kill a Mockingbird? The answer is C. Harper Lee. What city was Bly Biochem located in the movie Fletch Lives? The answer is C. Yazoo City, Mississippi. What name is given to a cockerel that is castrated and fattened for the table?